7 services you can offer right from your garage. Hey, entrepreneurs and side hustle warriors, imagine this. You're chilling in your garage, tools scattered around, and suddenly your phone buzzes with another payment notification. $5,000 just dropped into your account from a client who's raving about your work. Sounds like a dream? Well, buckle up, because today on Kingdom Cash, we're diving into 7 mind-blowing services you can launch right from your garage that could turn that dusty space into a profit powerhouse. These aren't your run-of-the-mill ideas like car washing or woodworking. Nope, we're talking rare, untapped gems that nobody's buzzing about yet. Services so unique, they'll have clients lining up and you stacking cash like never before. If you're ready to level up your empire and make huge profits without leaving home, keep watching, because by the end, you'll be itching to grab your tools and get started. Let's kick this off with our first service: custom neurofeedback device calibration. Picture this: you're in your garage, surrounded by wires and screens, fine-tuning brainwave monitoring gadgets for high performers like CEOs and athletes who want to hack their minds for peak focus and creativity. This isn't some off-the-shelf app. It's a bespoke service where you build and calibrate portable neurofeedback units using affordable EEG sensors and open-source software. What's rare about it? Most people think this tech is locked in fancy clinics, but you can offer at-home setups with personalized training sessions via video calls. Start by investing $500 in basic hardware, learn the basics from free online neuroscience resources, and market to stressed-out professionals on LinkedIn. Potential profits? Sky high. Charge $1,000 per custom calibration package, and with just 10 clients a month, you're looking at $120,000 annually. Scale it by adding subscription-based remote monitoring, and boom, you're in 6-figure territory. This service taps into the booming biohacking trend, and clients will pay premium because it's convenient, private, and delivers real results like sharper decision-making that boosts their own businesses. Next up, number 2. Bespoke mycelium material fabrication. Hold on, mycelium, that's the root structure of mushrooms, and you're turning it into eco-leather, packaging, or even furniture prototypes right in your garage. This service is for sustainable brands and designers who need custom mycelium-based materials grown to spec. Think vegan handbags or biodegradable phone cases that outshine plastic. The uniqueness: it's not mass-produced. You cultivate fungi in controlled garage setups using DIY incubators from recycled bins, agar, and sawdust. No one's offering this at a garage level because it sounds sci-fi, but with a $300 starter kit and some mycology tutorials, you're golden. Target eco-conscious entrepreneurs on platforms like Etsy or green business forums. Profits: charge $500, $2,000 per custom batch, depending on size. Land 5-7 orders monthly from fashion startups, and you're netting $50,000, $100,000 a year. Plus, as the green economy explodes, repeat business from scaling clients could double that. Imagine supplying a viral sustainable brand and watching your bank account grow like those mushrooms. Service number 3. Personalized quantum-inspired algorithm consulting. Whoa, sounds advanced, right? From your garage, you're helping small businesses optimize their operations with custom algorithms inspired by quantum computing principles, like probabilistic modeling for inventory or marketing predictions. You don't need a supercomputer. Use free tools like Qiskit on a laptop to simulate and tailor solutions. This is rare because quantum tech is usually reserved for tech giants, but you're democratizing it for everyday entrepreneurs. Invest $0 upfront beyond your computer, brush up via online courses, and pitch to e-commerce owners struggling with data overload. Potential huge profits: $2,000 per consultation project, with upsells for ongoing tweaks. Snag 8 clients a month through freelance sites, and you're at $192,000 yearly. The excitement? Clients see massive efficiency gains, like cutting costs by 30%, and they'll refer you like crazy, turning your garage into a quantum cash machine. Now, for number 4, exotic insect protein processing. Yep, you're processing crickets, mealworms, and rare beetles into high-protein powders or bars for fitness fanatics and pet food companies. In your garage, set up a mini farm with breeding bins and a dehydrator, harvesting, grinding, and packaging custom blends. What's never heard of here? Focusing on exotic species like black soldier flies for superior nutrition, flavored to client specs, bypassing the generic stuff in stores. Start with $400 in supplies. Learn entomophagy basics from niche forums, and market to health bloggers or gyms. Profits are enormous. sell at $50 per pound wholesale, process 200 pounds monthly, and hit $120,000 annually. With the alternative protein market booming to billions, your unique angle could lead to partnerships with supplement brands, multiplying earnings tenfold. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Alright, back to the action with service number 5. Custom holographic display prototyping. Transform your garage into a lab where you create bespoke holographic setups for marketers, educators, or event planners, using affordable laser projectors and 3D modeling software to make floating images pop. Rare twist. Tailor them for niche uses like virtual product demos or historical reenactments, not the big stage stuff. Grab a $600 kit, master holography through YouTube deep dives, and network on creative freelancer sites. Potential profits: $500, $3,000 per prototype, with 6 to 10 gigs a month equaling $108,000, $360,000 yearly. As AR/VR hype grows, clients will flock for that wow factor, turning one-off jobs into retainer contracts for ongoing innovations. Huge money in the making. Number 6. Subterranean aquaponics system design. From your garage, design and assemble compact, underground-inspired aquaponics kits for urban farmers, combining fish tanks with hydroponic gardens in space-saving, light-proof units that mimic cave ecosystems. Uniqueness. Using rare bioluminescent bacteria for low-light growth, perfect for basements or garages, unheard of in standard setups. Invest $700 in pumps and tanks, study permaculture online, and sell to homesteaders via Reddit or farming apps. Profits galore. $800 per custom system, 15 sales monthly nets $144,000 a year. Tap into the food security trend, and expansions like maintenance services could push you to $300,000 plus, empowering clients to grow their own empires while you bank big. Finally, service number 7. Bespoke chronobiology coaching with wearable integration. In your garage workshop, you craft and integrate custom wearables that track circadian rhythms, offering coaching to optimize sleep, productivity, and health for busy entrepreneurs. Rare element. Incorporating ancient timekeeping methods with modern sensors, like sundial-inspired apps synced to smart rings. Start with $400 in components, learn chronobiology from scientific papers, and attract clients through wellness podcasts. Massive profit potential: $200 per coaching package. 12 clients a month means $172,800 annually. With word of mouth from transformed lives, think clients closing deals with laser focus. You could scale to group sessions, hitting $500,000 in revenue. Whew, there you have it. 7 garage-based services that are fresh, feasible, and primed for enormous profits. Each one leverages your space, skills, and a dash of innovation to create value that's hard to find elsewhere. Whether it's calibrating brains or prototyping holograms, these ideas prove that huge wealth is just a garage door away. Start small, market smart, and watch the dollars roll in. Remember, the key to making these work is passion and persistence. Your empire awaits. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.